So we're going to read the interlopers. And like I said, it's a scary story. So you know how scary stories start. Like, what's the setting always does it seem to be like?
Foggy.
Dark and gloomy.
Dark and gloomy and foggy. So in the interlopers, here's here's a, what do you call it when you give away something? Anyway, here's a little hint about how the story is going to start. It's going to start out spooky. So number one, it says, describe the mood of the story. Give examples of how the author used images and words of the natural elements to set the mood. So notice that elements is bigger, it's bolded, and it's underlined in the question. What is elements based on what you read yesterday and did, those of you who were here? What is elements?
Weather.
The weather, yeah. So a sentence starter for this question is going to be the elements that I see for the mood of the story are, right? And so you're going to use that word and underline it in your answer. Does that make sense? And so that way I know that you know what it means. So for example, number 2 said, who is the narrator? What do you know about them? Why does he consider the other family a bunch of marauders? What is marauders? What? Raiders. What's another word for raiders? Trash?
It's a football team.
Sorry, I didn't know that. Marauders are like thieves, people who poach, who hunt illegally, right? So your answer are going to be, he considers them marauders because. So you're going to use that word in your answer, and you're going to underline that word. So normally these are worth 2 points, but now I'm going to give you 1 point for it being a sentence with capital letter and a period. 1 sentence for the correct answer, 1 point for the correct answer, and then 1 point for using the vocabulary word correctly in your answer. Okay? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to read the story. Okay.